Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Luisa. How are you guys doing? Today we'll be doing this galaxy inspired makeup look tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and yeah, let's begin. To start off, we're going to be using our Morphe 39S beauty palette or eyeshadow palette for this makeup look. We're going to use this color that you see here. It's called Posh Boss. And we're going to use a crease brush or like a medium-sized fluffy brush to apply this all over the crease of our eyes, also known as transition color. Just wanted to jump in here and say welcome again. I wanted to make a quick note for those of you if this is your first time looking or seeing one of my videos. I tend to go at normal speed for every step, and then for one eye at least, and for the next eye I speed it up. But let me know if you have any questions or comments below on how to achieve this look, or any other questions or comments you may have. For the next step, we'll be using this color that you see here. It's called Treasure Trove, again from the same palette. We're going to use a small rounded brush. And just a quick note, for those of you who have not seen any of my videos before, I tend to put the darkest color on the outer exterior part of the eyelid. So this is why you need a small rounded brush. You need to have the most control to make sure none of the product will fall out onto your face, though it may anyways. Please make sure to blow off the excess off of the brush, and then I'll jump in here in a moment to give you another quick tip. So, as you see here, it's kind of funny, but I use the back part of like one of my old falsies eyelashes cases. Why? Because it's really more like cardstock paper that I use. If you don't have any sort of cardstock paper, you're more than welcome to use like an envelope. And what I do is I place it, as you see here, underneath my eyes. I'm applying this color, any dark colors, any color, after the transition color really. And this catches any fallout. Of course, even if you blow off excess off with a brush, and even though if you're using like cardstock paper or something to catch the fallout, there's still always some that falls onto your face, which we will discuss in a moment. But yes, this is especially because I do my eyeshadow after I've already completed my foundation. So now we're going to use a large fluffy brush, or also known as like a blush brush. Make sure it's clean, make sure you haven't used it before, and we're going to wipe away any of the excess product that fell onto the cheeks of our face. Blending is key. I'll say it again for the people in the back. Blending is key. If you do not blend out your colors, believe me, it's going to look choppy and it won't look as smooth as you want it to look. In this case, I usually blend after every color. In this video, you're only going to see me blend at this point in time. Why? Because I decided to use the Treasure Trove color and apply it a bit more than like about halfway onto my eyelid, and blend it out so that when I apply the next color, it's already blended. You'll see what I'm saying in a moment. But yes, make sure to blend this color out with the crease color posh boss and blend it out onto the skin. I don't care how long it takes you, you must blend it out. On to the next step. We're going to use this beautiful color that you see here. It's called Total Goals. It's really like a pink and purpley color. I find it to be so beautiful. We're going to use a small flat brush, and we're going to use 1 to 2 pumps of setting spray. Because this is more of, it's not like a compacted eyeshadow, it's more of like a thin kind of glittery texture. You don't want to put too much setting spray, which is why I say max between 1 and 2. In this case, I use 1. You can do 2 I do 2 sometimes because I don't know why, but it'll spray. It won't spray onto the brush, it'll spray the other way, when you accidentally miss it. But yes, so between 1 and 2, make sure the brush isn't soaked, and then gently pat it onto your eyelid from the inner corner to the exterior part, which you'll see in a moment. Here, I'm just quickly showing you where this color needs to be applied. So from the inner corner part of the eyelid onto a little bit more than halfway past the eyelid, so that it blends with the colors that we put on the exterior part of the eye. I really, really do love this look. And you can see here that I don't actually blend this out because it already blends with the color Treasure Trove, because again, I did the blending beforehand. Most of the time I would say blend it out, but in this case no, and it's just because of the texture of the product. On to the next step, the lower lash line. So in this case, I decided to apply the same 2 colors, so Treasure Trove to the exterior part of the lower lash line, and then Total Goals to from the inner corner of the lower lash line to about a little more than halfway. So it's kind of recreating the look, but on the bottom half without the transition color. Now, I would say to use the same brushes. So the small rounded brush for Treasure Trove, and then the small flat brush for Total Goals. But if you don't have, or if you don't want to use these brushes, you're more than welcome to use another clean brush, like another small rounded brush, only for the application of the lower lash line. And here, just jumping in, you see me wipe away yet again using the big blush brush. Again, it has to be clean. Make sure there's nothing on it, and wipe away gently any fallout that might have occurred. last but not least, we're going to use this white from my All About Bronze eyeshadow palette by Essence. I believe the products from Essence you can get online. I'm not sure if you can get it in stores. I got this a while ago. But anyways, we're going to use a small cotton swab to apply this to the inner corner of the eye. It's going to illuminate the look and complete the look. Yes, I said it, a cotton swab. I love it. You'll see what I mean when I say that it applies it on a lot more compactly. If you don't have any cotton swabs, you ran out or whatever, then please use a small rounded brush as well. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. I hope you guys liked this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Again, any questions or comments, and let me know what type of videos you guys would like to see next. Don't forget to like this video or hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much again. Kisses. God bless, and take care.